Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Guys Estate. Today we want to unbox our Gionee X1s 32GB Rom 32GB Rom. Please subscribe. We'll be right back. Welcome back. Please subscribe if you have never done so. So let's quickly unwrap our Gionee X1s 32GB Rom 32GB Rom. So here we have our Gionee X1s. You can see it here. 3GB, 32GB Rom. We have the 4000 mAh battery, 16 megapixel front camera, 30 megapixel back camera, 107.0. Yes, so let's quickly unbox our. So yeah. Here we have our phone. The blue color. Let's see it. This is the power button, the up and down volume button. Yes, where we have the SIM ejector, SIM tray. So next we have manual for the phone. Yes, we have the plug, the adapter for the plug. We have plug for the phone. We have the cord. We have the SIM ejector. We have the earpiece. We have the condom case. Yeah. Look at it. Wow. Also, lastly, we have our screen guard. So this is what we have in the phone. We have the screen guard. We have the phone. We have the condom case. We have the earpiece, the SIM ejector, charging cord, and charging plug also, and also our manual. We also have two external plugs. Wow, this is really nice. I really like it. So this is what we have in our Gionee X1s 32GB Rom 32GB Rom. Please subscribe for more of Guys Estate. Thank you.